Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to recover WhatsApp deleted messages without backup. So guys, if you want to recover WhatsApp deleted messages without backup, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all you have to simply make it sure that you are using the updated version of WhatsApp in your device. And after this, open your WhatsApp and then go to settings and then tap on chats, and here you can see two options. One is chat backup and other is export chat. So guys, since you don't want to recover your messages from backup, here you can see another option, that is export chat. So I simply tap on this and now you can see all of chats from here. So guys, you have to simply export any chat from here which you want to save. So guys, here I am selecting this one, and now you can save this chat in your device as a document in your device. So guys, here you can see this. You can select the option as well. You can attach media or you can save the chat without media as well. So guys, here I am tapping on without media, and once the chat is exported, it is saved in document file in your device and you can send it to anyone from here. So guys, here you can see this, the file has been saved, and now you can easily get this from your device if you want to back up your messages without the backup. So guys, once I am opening my WhatsApp, here you will see your chat, and here you can see if I open this chat, here is the document file of that chat which I have exported. So guys, you can export chats in your WhatsApp without backing up, and once you need the chat, you can easily open this in your device in document file. So guys, you can view or preview your content from here. So guys, here you can see all of the chat, and you can also save this in your device or anywhere else. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.